My dear brothers and sisters, in the gospel of today, the Lord is speaking about burden. Burden. Pasanin. And therefore, let us reflect on this word, burden. The first, I think, that is reminding us, the first thing that is being reminded us is this. Not all burden should be carried. Not all burden in the world should be carried. You know, there are some people who would like to take all the problems of the world to himself or to herself. Gusto lahat pasanin. Hindi lahat ng bagay dapat pinapasan. Hindi lahat ng bagay dapat pinoproblema. Kaya tayo nahihirapan ay sapagkat gusto nating yakapin ang problema ng mundo. Pati yung problema ng kapitbahay natin gusto nating pasanin. May kanya-kanya tayong pasanin. Each and every one of us, has a burden to carry. Just carry your burden. Just carry your burden. I am not saying that you will be insensitive to the burden of other people. I'm not saying that. But things that should be left alone should be left alone. And burden that can be resolved by making it no longer a burden should be left alone. For example, ito kuminsan naiisip ko. Kapag masakit ang ulo natin, we have a headache, take a medicine. Huwag niyo sabihin, sige, titiisin ko to bilang pakikiisa ko sa paghihirap ni Kristo. No? You take the headache as a suffering with Christ. Do something about the headache. Take a medicine. It is not a burden that should be carried. The second is this. We should not be carrying our burden by ourselves. And I think this is the point of the Lord in the gospel. I am here. Let me help you. Jesus must be saying, let me help you. You know, kapag ang pasanin ay binubuhat nating mag-isa, mabigat. For example, this book, this lectionary is quite heavy. But if there will be two people carrying this, the weight remains. The weight remains. Hindi naman gumagaang ito Pero gumagaang dahil dalawa ang bumubuhat. Let us allow the Lord to help us. Let us allow the Lord to carry our burden with us. And the Lord will be very happy to extend His hand to help us. Huwag nating kayanin ang mga pasanin. Hayaan nating tulungan tayo ng Diyos. That's the second. The first is that we should not carry all burdens. The second is that we should allow the Lord to help us in our burden. And the third, we should not be burdened to other people. We should not be the cause of the burden of other people. Huwag tayo maging pabigat sa iba. Huwag nating gawin ang ating sariling pasanin ng ibang tao. Mahirap na ang buhay Kaya lang, kuminsan, dumadagdag pa tayo. Dumadagdag pa tayo sa pasanin ng iba. Let us not be the cause of the suffering of others. Let us not be burdens to them. Amen.